Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Etherscan contract verification after deployment step by step clearly. To set up Etherscan contract verification after deployment, begin by navigating to the Etherscan website. Create an Etherscan account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, locate the API keys section under your profile settings. Generate a new API key and save it for later use. Next, navigate to your contract's deployment transaction on Etherscan. Copy the contract address from the transaction details. Now, head over to the Contract tab on the contract page and look for the Verify and Publish button. Click on the Verify and Publish button to start the verification process. Select the appropriate compiler version that matches the one used during your contract deployment. Fill in the contract source code, ensuring it is exactly as it was deployed. Specify the license type for your contract in the designated field. In the next section, you will need to input constructor parameters if your contract has any. Consult your deployment transaction or use a tool to encode these parameters. Paste the encoded parameters in the appropriate field. Review all the information you have provided to ensure accuracy. When satisfied, click the Verify and Publish button. You will receive a notification if the verification is successful. If any errors occur, Etherscan will provide details for troubleshooting. Once verified, you can view your contract source code on Etherscan for public access. This process enhances transparency and trust in your smart contract deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.